Hey, this is Ellie from Magic Beans, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you a first look at the very best strollers of 2019. I was recently at the ABC Kids Expo in Las Vegas, where I got a chance to have a sneak peek at all of the best stuff for 2019. If you're just meeting me, my name is Ellie from Magic Beans and Magic Beans Videos, where we review and compare strollers, car seats, baby gear, and toys. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to Magic Beans Videos right now because we produce videos like these every single week. If you have any questions about strollers, you should contact one of our baby gear experts at mbeans.com/questions, or give us a call. Speak to us, 617-383-8259, or you can simply leave a comment below. We answer all of your questions. And remember, all of these strollers that you see are available from us from Magic Beans with free shipping. So here you go, a first look at the best strollers of 2019. First stroller up, the UPPAbaby Vista.
Our tried and true UPPAbaby Vista, but updated for 2019 with absolutely beautiful fashions. I have the William fashion, beautiful light blue woven material. Remember, the Vista is a stroller that converts from a single to a double. They also added wonderful real leather accents in blue. They've had it for the past couple of years on various models, all in 2018. But for 2019, there were even more varieties of leather accents on their strollers. Remember, a Vista seat goes in both directions, comes with a sleep safe bassinet included, super breathable, pop out canopy. You can add upper adapters and lower adapters and add a rumble seat to the stroller to turn it from a single to a double. Just pop the seat on, lift the seat all the way out, take the two triggers, pull it down, and it stands on its own. UPPAbaby Vista for 2019.
Next stroller, the Agio Z4.
Also new for 2019 is the Agio Z4. This is a stroller that's actually made in Italy. The way it works is you flip over the seat, and then what you do is just reach over, flips it right down, super easy. It's a single stroller that does not turn into a double stroller. Super nice textiles. Works with the Agio Nido car seat and also a Nuna Pippa car seat, new for 2019.
The Cybex Mios.
As you can see, the look is absolutely beautiful. We have to just start with that. Rose gold legs, new faux leather accent on the belly bar and on the handlebar. New materials, this really nice, soft and shiny textile on the top. There is an extendable canopy, so you can expand it, and then there's the air that flows through. The seat pad is removable. That exposes a mesh seat in the back so the air can flow through in the summer. The seat goes in both directions and is appropriate for newborn. Something that I think is really cool about the Mios is that you can see is that in terms of like the design language, there are no screws or rivets or any other different type of thing that really takes away from the design of the stroller. In fact, they have a proprietary airplane glue that they use to keep this thing together, which is super, super strong, but enables it to maintain the quality and the lightness and the design. So I think it's pretty good, and I think they did just a great update for 2019.
The Bob Revolution running stroller for 2019.
If you want a tried and true great running stroller that has great all-terrain capabilities, you should be looking at a Bob Revolution. It has 16-inch wheels on the back, and has 12-inch wheels on the front. It's a revolution because the front wheel it sort of swivels, but also when you lock it in the front by turning this little red button here, it locks out. Okay, now they have new colors. They upgraded the orange color, which I think is a more subdued orange, more maroonish, and the orange is really nice. They also have extra reflection on it. So if you're running at night, you're going to have extra safety, which Bob is absolutely all about. This other blue color, and also the lunar, which is really going to be great for safety when you're running at night. They've also made a couple of extra updates to it. In the peekaboo window, not only do they have the ability to see the child, but they have the air flowing through this mesh window. They also have extra storage on the back of the canopy. You can unzip it and put your keys and your wallet and your cell phone in right here in the back. And also on the actual back of the stroller, more compartments to put all your stuff. Let me show you how this thing folds. So what you do is you just squeeze right here and the thing folds right over. and you just pull this cord, and it folds right down. So compact and small. And if you want it even smaller, there's these little silver buttons on the bottom. You just lift, and the wheels come right out for really, really small. Look how small that is.
And finally, the MICRALITE TWOFOLD.
Another one of my favorite strollers for 2019 is the MICRALITE TWOFOLD. This is a new stroller coming to America, and it is super cool. Number one, it has lightweight and all-terrain features in one, because you can see it's super compact, but it also has these green Kevlar-lined wheels in it. You can easily, just in 2 steps, pull it up to make it open, and then all you need to do is push it right down, and it opens right back up. But wait, in this stroller is a double stroller component built in. All you need to do is put on the brake, then all you need to do is push straight, like that, boom, and now your child could stand on this like a riding board, and they have this tandem seat that you put over, and now, boom, 2 children can go on the TWOFOLD, available for 2019.
I hope you liked the first look of the best strollers for 2019. We are going to be doing another 2019 roundup of strollers, double strollers, infant car seats, convertible car seats, and so much more early in 2019. So if you want to see those videos, you need to subscribe to Magic Beans videos right now. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like. Now remember, if you have any questions for yourself about strollers, you gotta go to mbeans.com/questions and ask us your questions. You can give us a call at 617-383-8259, or just simply leave a comment below. All these strollers are available from us from Magic Beans with free shipping. And don't forget to go to mbeans.com right now and enter one of our giveaways. See you soon.